Step number 1. Log in to the 2 platforms that will pay you to watch ads. Step number 2. Click on the highest paying ads and watch them. And step number 3. Collect the cash straight to your bank account. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. Check this out right here. A nice big PayPal payment sent to me just the other day for simply watching a few ads. Now, results are not guaranteed. You may earn more than this, the same or a little bit less. But I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact step throughout this entire video, then results like this will definitely not be possible for you. So, make sure to stick all the way through and do not skip over any of the steps. Now, the 3 steps in earning every 60 seconds for watching ads are: Step number 1. I'm going to be revealing the top 2 platforms that are paying people to watch ads online, from home, on their computer, or their cell phone. Step number 2. I'm going to be unveiling the unique methods for maximizing your income. And step number 3. I'm going to be showing how to automate your income as a bonus towards the end. So make sure to stick around to the end, cause I'm going to show you the 2 platforms, but the last one is the highest paying. As you can see right here, they're paying out people from all over the world, and this is up to date. People are earning every single minute of the day. They're getting paid out in different methods. Obviously, straight to their bank account, pay year, RTM, and other different methods. You can cash out at any time that you want. So this is pretty nice that you can get instant access to cash for simply watching advertisements. So the first platform is called GPT Planet. Earn money by completing simple tasks online, and the task that we're going to be completing is watching ads. Everyone can join, and it's absolutely free. So you're gonna register your free account, start earning, and then you can cash out with a minimum of $1. You're gonna be able to cash out every single day, any minute of the day. I'm gonna show you exactly where to go on this site. What you're gonna do is you're going to register, and then once you get to your dashboard, you're gonna get here. There's lots of different things you can click on, but I'm gonna show you the highest paying ones, from lowest paying to highest paying. The ones you need to get started with today. As you can see, this site has paid out over $1.4 million to their users like me and you. So, the very first place we want to go is View Ads. We're gonna click on View Ads, and that's going to go over here. As you can see, these are little advertisements. These are fixed advertisements that obviously could reset this page once you view all of them. But you need to view at least 4 before you can reset the page. But what we're going to do is click on every single one of these. Let them pop up in separate browsers and let the advertisements play. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. As you can see, there's pages of advertisements. And once you run out of all these, you can go ahead and refresh the page. But they don't pay out too much for these, so I want to show you ones that pay out even more. As you can see right here, if you scroll down, we click on Earn More and scroll down. You're gonna see GPT Grid, Wanna Ads, Medium Path, Skippy Ads, and lots of other ones. But what I want you to do is go to Wanna Ads. These are the highest paying advertisements on this site. You go over to Wanna Ads, and that's gonna take you over here. As you can see, these are the top earners right now today. The top 15 are already earning 18 bucks just for watching some ads. But if you scroll down, you can see, these pay $0.150 $0.50, $27.5, and so forth. So, there are hundreds of these ads. Some of them pay out $200. It's pretty cool because you can just keep scrolling down, opening each one of these up and earning. These are just gonna be little pop-ups that basically are earning you money, and there's plenty of them here. You don't even need to refresh the page because by the time you're done with all these, you're gonna be pretty tired and then you could cash out. But I'm gonna show you in another piece that you could earn as well on this site. This is actually the highest paying method and it's on the site as well. Then we'll move on to the next platform, which pays out even more than GPT Planet. What we're going to do is click on PTSU. And that's going to bring you right over here, which are paid to sign up offers. Now, these aren't quite advertisements, but what we can do is create a junk Gmail account and click on each one of these and just input the Gmail account and you'll earn rewards. So that's another way to earn. Sometimes when you see these, they pay out more than $1 each one. That is gonna be great for you to start earning. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the next highest paying platform. This one is called Scarlet Clicks. As you can see, they've paid out over $2.4 million to their users for watching ads. So click ads, earn money, and cash out. Now, their minimum threshold is $2, but you're gonna hit that faster because this site pays out even more. So, log in and go over here to your dashboard. And the first place you want to go here is go to Earn More. And you're gonna go to Medium Path. Medium Path is the highest paying advertiser on this particular site. I know that they have Medium Path on GPT Planet, but this is the highest paying one on Scarlet Clicks. So, you click on that, and as you see right here, you're gonna have lots of different advertisements that you can pop up. And some of them, very like this, could be $1, could be $5, but you're gonna go ahead and click on all these. And again, hundreds of ads for you to watch and click on. Now, this reminds me of when I first started out doing fast food work for minimum wage. I was doing little gigs on the side like this, like clicking and viewing ads for a couple dollars here and there. Of course, you can make a few $100 or maybe even 1,000 if follow the exact step for maximizing your income. Results like this will definitely be possible for you. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.